Hello students, let us continue exercise 13.2 surface area and volume NCERT exemplar. Write true or false and justify your answer. Sample question number 1. A right circular cylinder just enclose a sphere of radius r. This is your sphere and radius of sphere is r and radius of cylinder is r. The surface area of the sphere is equal to the curved surface area of cylinder. Now, radius of sphere equal to radius of cylinder equal to r. Both articles have same radius. Diameter of sphere, this is your diameter of sphere and which is also equal to height of cylinder. So we write diameter of sphere equal to height of cylinder, h equal to 2r. R plus r, 2r. 2r is diameter of sphere. So height of cylinder is 2r. Surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi r square. This is the formula of surface area of sphere, 4 pi r square. Curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r h. H mean height. 2 pi r h. H mean height. Height is 2r. So we write 2r. 2 to the 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. R into r square. 2 to the 4 pi r square. Clearly, surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi r square and curved surface area of cylinder is 4 pi r square. Both surface area have equal. So given surface area of the sphere is equal to the curved surface area of cylinder, this statement is true. Hence given statement is true. This is your justification. Now sample question second. An edge of a cube measure r centimeter. If the largest possible right circular cone is cut out to this cube, then the volume of the cone in centimeter cube is pi 1 upon 6 pi r cube. This is your cube. And edge of cube is r. This is your r. If the largest possible right circular cone, this is your right circular cone. This is your right circular cone. Again repeat. An edge of a cube measure r centimeter. If the largest possible right circular cone is cut out of this cube, then the volume of cone in centimeter cube is 1 upon pi r cube. This statement is true or false. Now this is your height of cone. Height of cone h. This is your radius. Height of cone is r. Edge of cube is r. And diameter r. Diameter of cone is r, which is equal to edge, and edge of a cube is r. So we write d equal to r. And h equal to r. Volume of cone v equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 pi. This is your diameter, given diameter. So radius is r upon 2. So we write r upon 2 whole square. Multiply. Value of h is r. So we write r. Now 2 to the 4. 4 3 the 12. 1 upon 12 pi r cube. 1 upon 12 pi r cube. Hence volume of cone is 1 upon 12 pi r cube. Formula of volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Pi radius square height. height is h and radius is r upon 2. So we write 1 upon 12 pi r cube. But given that volume of cone is 1 upon 6 pi r cube. So this statement is false, because correct statement is 1 upon 12 pi r cube. Volume of cone is 1 upon 12 pi r cube. So given statement is false. Now do sample question number 1, 2 of exercise 13.2 in your fair notebook. Thank you.